Rillahan and you're watching Prenatal Foundations. Today we're going to cover forward fold. Most importantly, we want to make sure that we have enough space for baby and that we're creating stability for ourselves. So instead of having your feet touching, take a wider stance, keeping your feet hips width apart so that when you fold forward, there's plenty of space for baby and we don't compress the belly. So let's try that. Another helpful thing would be to have blocks in front of you. And make sure to always bend the knees slightly until you feel your hamstrings are fully warmed up. So we don't want to overstretch our muscles. Inhale, reach the arms up overhead. And as you exhale, bend the knees, bring the hands to quads first, then bring the hands to those blocks, and then release for forward fold, keeping a gentle bend in the knees, and then just take any little adjustment here, being sure not to compress the belly. Let the head hang heavy. Inhale, find a flat back, long spine. Exhale again, fold forward, release everything. And then bend the knees, bring the hands to the quads with a flat back, rise up to Tadasana. So there you have a few adjustments you can make next time you're practicing. Hopefully you can find what feels good for you. See you next time.